What's up, guys? We're back in the vlog. So it's currently snowing out here. It's a snowstorm in Texas, and I'm going to film behind the scenes of Ted's hibernation snow scenes because I already filmed the couch scenes inside. So I'm gonna film it right over here when he's sleeping by the tree. My hands are going to be freezing because I have no gloves. So yeah, let's get straight to filming. Alright, this is a good place for me to hibernate. Yeah, alright. I can't choose a good sleeping position. I also have snow all over my face. This isn't going to be a good hibernation. Ted, what are you doing? Hibernating, like I just told you in the house. Now, go. Yeah, dude, this is really freezing out here. Can we go inside? No, we need to stop Ted from hibernating. He's going to be gone from the videos. Well, I need to hibernate. It's the last minute! It's the last month of winter! Well, okay, and the point? Yeah, exactly. Now, let me hibernate right now so I can, have my sleep. But you didn't do this last year. I know that. Again, new year, new me. But New Year's was last month. Okay, guys, can y'all just let me hibernate and stuff? And yeah. Dude, what are you doing? That's all I see. What do you mean? Okay, you see really strange. Look. I just like hibernating, alright? Like hibernating? This is your first time hibernating! Well, it's part of the bear's habitat to hibernate, so, yeah, exactly. Gosh, being really stupid right now. Just go back inside. Yeah. Alright. That scene can't feel my fingers right now, so yeah. Alright, next scene. Gotta finish. Alright. Okay, start with the snow. It's not the one. It's not the who walked me from my hibernation? We have to go. Stay back. Oh, it's just my friend. Okay. Alright. This is a good place. Finish doing that. Alright, last scene. Alright, so let's go. Last scene out here. Okay, it's gonna be him down. Cordell is gonna pour the water on him. Dan's too nerdy to do it. It's really sick. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, now pour the water on him. Alright, dude. Why'd you pour water on me, Cordell? Well, we want to wake you up because your hibernation is over. Yeah, it's over. It's over. You don't need to do it anymore. Yeah, your hibernation is over. It's March, but it's still snowing. Yeah, you know, you're disturbing the witness right now. What the fuck of your house? What do you mean? Well, still, it's the winter since it's outside, so it's still snowing, so it can't be March. It's still winter. Well, no, because, see, it may seem like it's February, but it's not. It's still March. You explain it, okay? I'm bad at explaining things. Gosh. Okay, look, it's 2022, and it's a new year, so, they made, like, it can snow in March now, yeah. Since it's 2022, it can snow in March now. So yeah, it's crazy, but it's still springtime, but it's just still snowing. It can snow in March now since it's 2022. So yeah, okay, you can stop hibernating now. You can stop hibernating. Your hibernation's over. You're done sleeping, so you can like really just get up now. Okay, it don't feel like March, but I guess it is March since it's 2022 and it's March. Okay, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna go back inside. Yeah, freezing out here. Can't feel a thing. Alright. Finish. Cannot feel my fingers. See, my hand looks so solidy and nummy. And yeah, I'm gonna go back inside.